Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to fix birthday notifications not showing on your Facebook account. Let's get started. First, make sure that notifications are enabled for Facebook. Go to your phone's settings, then tap Apps or Applications, then tap on App Management and find Facebook in the list. Tap Notifications and ensure that notifications are turned on. Especially look for options like events or birthdays and make sure they are enabled. Next, check your in-app notification settings. Open the Facebook app, tap the menu icon, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then Settings, scroll down and tap Notification. Here look for birthday notifications and make sure they are switched on. If you are using the Facebook Lite app, keep in mind that some notifications might be limited. You may want to switch to the full version of the Facebook app for a more complete notification experience. Next, clear the app cache for Facebook. Go to your phone's settings, tap Apps, then tap on App Management, then find Facebook and tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache, not Clear Data. It's Clear Cache to remove temporary files that could be causing issues. After clearing the cache, reopen the Facebook app and check if birthday notifications start working. If clearing the cache doesn't work, ensure that your Facebook app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Facebook and check if there is an update available. If so, install the update as updates often include fixes for notification problems. Lastly, try reinstalling the Facebook app. Uninstall it from your phone, restart your device, then go to Google Play Store or App Store and reinstall the app. This can fix any glitches in the app that might be preventing notifications. And that's it. We have covered several ways to fix the birthday notifications not showing issues on Facebook. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thank you so much.